Hi everyone, welcome back to Ocean Cadillac. Today we're giving you a full owner's guide to the 2026 Cadillac LYRIQ. Whether you just took delivery, you're shopping for one, or you just want to know what this EV can actually do day to day, this is the video you've been waiting for. Let's get into it. So first things first, when you walk up to the LYRIQ, it has this signature light up handshake, and that's not just for show, it's actually part of Cadillac's safety visibility system. To start the vehicle, all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, and you're ready to roll. You're greeted by your 33-inch OLED display. This is your command center. Everything you control runs through here. Your key things that you want to set up right away are going to be your driver profiles, your phone pairing with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your home charging location, and Super Cruise activation. Take 2 minutes to set these up and your life becomes so much easier. Now let's talk charging. The LYRIQ supports both at-home AC charging and DC fast charging. Home charging with your included dual-level charging cord, you can plug into your standard household outlet or upgrade to a 240 volts level 2 charger for full overnight charges. If you're a new owner, set your charging limit to 80% for daily driving. It saves battery life while still giving you plenty of range. For public charging, the LYRIQ can handle fast chargers with some serious juice. Expect to get roughly 70 to 80 miles in only 10 minutes. A few charging tips: precondition the battery while it's plugged in. Use your navigation to route optimal chargers, and set departure time so your cabin is preheated or cooled before you unplug. Inside the LYRIQ, Cadillac went full spaceship, but kept things familiar. With your steering controls, you've got audio, hands-free, and driver assist toggles at your thumbs. Now with the floating center console, you have your wireless charging pad here with hidden storage, cup holders that don't fight you, and then you have your touch screen. This is where the fun really begins. The interface is clean, fast, and actually makes sense. Your most important menus are going to be your charging for real-time usage, regen control, and of course your charging settings. Then your drive modes menu. Here you can control everything from your brake feel, steering feel, acceleration, and customize it to you and how you want to drive in your environment. Then you have your cameras menu where you have a cabin camera, you have your overhead 360 view, as well as your backup camera and front-facing camera. Front and rear are HD and have backup lines that adjust automatically. Then of course you have your navigation with Google built in. And then of course you have your audio menu. You have an AKG studio sound system with an insane amount of clarity. Now when it comes to drive modes, the LYRIQ gives you a few options to shape your drive. You have Tour mode, which is for your smooth everyday driving. It's a comfortable setting. Then you have Sport mode. Sport mode is going to tighten the suspension and boost your throttle response. That way the LYRIQ feels lighter on its feet. Then you have a Snow and Ice mode for better traction, softened throttle, and more controlled stability. Then you have your one-pedal driving, and if you haven't tried it before, give it 2 days, you'll never go back. When you lift your foot, the car slows down aggressively on its own and uses regenerative braking. And for regen on demand, you can use a steering-mounted paddle to instantly add braking force. It's great for downhill or for traffic. So that's your full owner's guide to the Cadillac LYRIQ. And if you're a new owner, enjoy the ride. Cadillac built something genuinely special here. And if you found this useful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Cadillac reviews. We'll see you on the road.